Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect two devices to your speaker XIAOMI Sound Party simultaneously. And right here we have the first device, what already connected with the speaker, and the second device is not connected with the speaker. So, on your second device, firstly we need to enter to pairing mode. Firstly, turn on your speaker. At the top we have a power button, so press and hold it if your speaker turn off. After you turn on your speaker, at the back side we have Bluetooth button. You need to single press this button. You will hear the prompt and this button start blinking white, meaning that we in the pairing mode. So let's do this. Here we go, I hear the prompt and this LED lights are blinking white. Then on your second device, go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices. Click Pair New Device at the top if you have Android, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to only enter to the Bluetooth like on iOS. I need to click on it and then tap at your speaker at the device list here and click Pair. Now this speaker connected with my second device. So let's check if we have connection with the first device. Settings, Bluetooth, and yes, we have connection. So now both these devices connected to my speaker. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.